Hello friends, myself Dr. Gupta. I am a orthopedic and sports injury specialist. I completed my MBBS from Government Medical College Riva. After that, I completed my PG from GRMC Gwalior. Followed by I finished my DNV from Rockland Hospital under guidance of Dr. PK Dabesar, he is very well-known orthopedic surgeon, and Dr. Pushpender Bajaj. He is also very known surgeon of South Delhi. Followed by I completed my fellowship from Chennai, Dr. Clement Joseph sir. Then after I went to the Singapore and South Korea for further fellowship in sports injury and knee and shoulder surgery. I am especially specialized for the knee and shoulder surgeon. I am doing knee and shoulder surgeries from last 12 years, and more than 1,000 of surgery I finished in my career. And now I joined as a senior consultant orthopedic and sports injury in Metro Hospital. So you can come for the knee and shoulder surgery and any type of sports injury. I am specialized for ACL surgeries, meniscus injuries, rotator cuff surgeries and Bankart surgery. So if you have any issue regarding knee and shoulder, you can contact me in Metro Hospital. Thank you.